This 2022 Dutchmen Aspen Trail 2910BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 11, smoke detector, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, slide out, external shower, awning, microwave, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, water heater, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front dinette, front kitchen, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Aspen Trail 2910BH is 6,639 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.